So we finally got the official teasers and official images of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Fold 8 Ultra, and they reveal a few things that suggest some of the rumors we've been hearing weren't entirely accurate. Let's get into it. What's up guys, this is Phone Pulse. First up, the official images. AndroidHeadlines has obtained Samsung's official marketing images along with the official cases for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Fold 8 Ultra. Just to be clear, these are actual Samsung marketing assets, not third-party renders. Starting with the Fold 8 Ultra, the clear cases reveal the phone's actual colors, which we really haven't seen until now. Take the violet color for example. Rumors suggested it would look similar to the S26 Ultra's violet, but it's actually much darker, closer to a deep purple or even burgundy. This is also Samsung's hero color for the Fold 8 Ultra, and personally, it's my favorite. This is the one I'll be getting. The other colors are black and a creamy white. Next, we have the wider Galaxy Z Fold 8. We can see it in lavender, black, and that same creamy white. Next up, Samsung has officially started teasing the Galaxy Z Fold 8. They've uploaded 6 teaser videos, all centered around its new, wider form factor. The slogan is "New shape, new joy," clearly highlighting the shorter, wider design. Interestingly, every teaser focuses on the standard Fold 8. There's still no sign of the Fold 8 Ultra. These official case images confirm the final branding, Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Fold 8 Ultra. So that's basically official now. The only notable camera upgrade this year is the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. Next, we all know Samsung has a habit of copying Apple, especially when it comes to the bad ideas. A few days ago, Apple officially increased the products, and honestly, the hikes were much steeper than expected. This actually makes Samsung's job a lot easier. If Apple is comfortable pushing prices higher, Samsung suddenly has a lot more room to do the same. So I fully expect the Z Fold 8 lineup to cost more than its predecessors. The only question is how much more. Now, here's your official look at the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 and the Galaxy Watch 9. Click right here and I'll see you there.